Oh, hello, guys. I have something special to show you all. And this is another special. Yes, I know, another subscriber special. But today, we hit 21 subscribers. 21 subscribers. I can't believe it, bro. Dude, we literally went from 15 to, like, 21. I can't believe it, chat. I can't believe it. Thank you so much, guys. Hold up. I'm gonna check my comments, so I'll be back in a sec. And yeah, I checked it. All good stuff. Chat, thank you so much for 21 subscribers. I am very happy. Oh, hey, you did see my thing change, right? This, well, let me show you something. This person, Vix underscore, I'm not sure if I'm saying it right, but they made this epic thing, this epic drawing. And chat, when I say I love it, I love it. I love it so much, chat. And yes, I said, dude, that's so epic. Yep, it did take a while, but it was worth the wait, chat. And the liminality of that star right here. Dude, I love it so much. Shout out to Vix, or you can just call her Sarah underscore XDI. Yeah, shout out to her. Him, her, I forgot, I don't know. So, but shout out to them. Anyway, next announcement is this guy. His name is Crazy Chicken Live. He does like Gimkit Live or something. Oh, but here, look at this. I won that one. I won. And there's further proof. I don't scam, by the way. Yep. Your receipt from Gimkit. Yep. This is all true. I can show you. Watch. So, I'm in Gimkit right now. If I go to season ticket, you already own this ticket. Yes. And look. Look. I have everything and I didn't even do it. Chat. This awesome. Crazy Chicken. He's the best. Chat. Put a W Crazy Chicken and W Vix in the comments. Yeah, do that. Hold on, does this like change colors? No. Alright, so we're gonna play some Gimkit for a bit. And then yeah. Anyway, we're creative. We're gonna play Gimkit. Let's do. What's wow? Lol. Try to win, just keep going up. Okay, I guess. Oh. Sticker. New to Space Corp. Alright, let's start. Let's start. Okay, how do you do this one? Dude, just, there's a respawn button. Oh. Do you like... Oh. Wait, how am I supposed to get up? Oh god. Okay, we're gonna have to go to a different one. Alrighty, let Saja Boys server. What the heck? Okay, what? Ah, my ear. Okay, the lol the you can play alone. What? Okay, I'll tell you when we get in. Alrighty, guns. What the heck? Guns? Why are there guns? Oh, okay. Quite a lag spike. Oh, God. Okay, there we go. Oh, my God. Oh, God. Yeah. Okay, quite the lag there is here. Guns. I have no idea what I'm literally doing. Lol. Okay, I have my headphones on so I don't get copyrighted. Kaboom. Pattern. Oh my God. Oh God. Okay. Oh God. Oh God. I got a quantum portal. It's time for you to die. How many seconds does it take for this? Oh. Okay. Get the twister. Oh God. Ow. Owie. What was that for? It's time for you. Oh. How did that happen? Time for you to die. Kaboom. Okay, time for you to die. What? He respawns? Okay. Get it. Get it. Bro, how many twisters were those? Okay, you know what? Just kill me. Oh my God, that many people. Let's. Oh. Okay. Lol. Blow everybody away. Okay, how much damage does this do? Go. Okay, you know what? Can I? Okay. Let's see. Oh! How much does this do? Oh, just 100. Okay. Ah! Alrighty. Go. Get the berry. Bleh. Cash berry. Ah! No! Oh God, I'm at 8 HP. Chat, I'm cooked. Oh, okay. Oh. What does this do? Money does grow on trees? Go. Get the evil. Yeah, I got it. I'm at 8 HP, lol. Go. Kaboom. What the? How much damage does this do? Oh, notification? YouTube notification thingy. Ah! Okay, you know what? Let's drop this evil eye. Oh my God! Okay, yeah, let's drop this quantum portal. Okay, medkit. Can I get die quantum portal? Medpack. Okay. Lol. I got the. You are so dumb. Wait, what? Okay. Oh, oh, oh my god. Another. Oh my god. Oh, what? Okay. Ah. Kaboom. You deserve. Oh, okay, okay. Kaboom. Oh, how did I? Two. Owie. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Oh my god. Oh, are they gonna leak? Oh, okay, no, this guns. I need to kill. Okay, owie. Well, that was. Okay, okay, okay. Yes! They died! Go, go. Oh my god, what is that? Oh no. What the heck, I need. Okay, there we go. Hello, Riff. Oh my god, Riff! Okay, what the hell? You know what? Let's go play some Roblox. Okay, now we're in Meg. Meg, the endless reality. If I see any of the people that are my subscribers, I would be okay. Super. Oh my god. My god, what is that? Is that an entity? What the heck? Okay. Badges. Let me get to the. You cheated. Okay. Chat, you should hear this. Hold up. You shall hear this. I need a group of 6. Hold on, does this work? It might work. Or this. Hold up. Yeah, this works. Very liminal. Of course. Big Mac. What does he have a rabbit head? Hold up. Bruh. Okay, where? Wait, what did he leave? Big Mac. His name is Big Mac. His name is Big Mac. I want Big Mac. Oh my god, 10 players. Okay. What's this? New music. Lol. Lol. Holy detected. Okay, what? If I don't speak, that means I got a mini heart attack. No. Lol. The main game. Alrighty. Alright, let's play. Okay, I'm pro of this game, so yeah. Oh my. Oh my god. Should we stay together? Who's elevator checker? Select. Oh. Yeah, I bought it. Okay, hats. The golden cone. Okay, suits. Okay, I'm gonna save for the honored. Alright, who's the person that teleports us back? The boys, to be honest. Chat. Run. Why did you choose run for your life? Okay, run. Oh God, no signal? What do you mean no signal? Go. Go, run. Perfobot, run as fast as you can. You're literally going to die. I forgot to put it on. Okay, go. Mini. Go. How many people are dead? Is everyone dead? Go. Oh God, it's coming. Go. Run. Am I cooking? Chat, I might be cooking. Go! He's extra fast! Go! 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 Oh! He killed someone. Go. Wait. It's the exit. I did it! I escaped! I escaped level run! Run for your life! Okay, let's do the infinite apartments. Oh, wretch. Chat, I can't believe it. It literally... Oh, party pooper mask. It's a party pooper mask. Go. Okay. Wait. Lol. I finally escaped it. Oh my God. Okay, where are we going? Chat, move out of the way. Oh, what the? Let's go. Oh, I found a door. Let's see, almond water? Any almond water? Oh, no almond water. What is that? Ah! Hey, meanie. Okay, just stay away from the windows. Guys, wait for me. Wretch? Oh, okay, never mind. Okay. Lol. Go. Okay. Howler? Oh, no. Run, 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 run. Wait a minute. Hold up. We're going to have to go up. Where is it? Oh, okay. Oh my god! Hey, Mr. Howler. I dare you to get... Ow. Yummy. That entity is stupid. Okay. Oh, okay. What? Compass. Hold on tight. My cat has his curry on daddy. Lol. Lol. Okay, let's go. Let's. Oh man. Alright, let's do the
I'm getting scared. There are a lot of them. Oh,
God. The dance ritual.
Everyone's just circling around. Oh man. I'm still doing it. Hey. Oh god, help. What the heck? The bumper.
Oh, the bumper crop. Let's do.
I like this dance. Run. If you see something weird, run.
No signal. Lol. Okay. Okay. Plant can't. Oh, dude, this is the worst combo ever, guys. I think I just went through a wall. Okay. Oh, okay. No signal. Okay. Hey, I see a camera. Place. Okay. Okay. Near. Alrighty. Let's see. Okay. No cameras on. Okay, no cameras. Mirror. Oh, someone's being chased. Okay. Alrighty, who's being literally chased to the death? Is that the camera already placed? Oh god, facing where? Oh my god! Hello there, sir. Would you please just leave me? Okay, you know what? Let's just die. Okay. Hello, sir. How you doing? Please get away from that thing. Bro, what are you? Lol. Oh my god. Lol. Dude, get away! No, listen. Okay. Check, he's cooked. Oh, objective complete. Okay. God, wait, is it chasing me? Go, 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 go. Kaboom. Yes, we go. Kaboom. Go, go, go. Lol. No signal. He's spinning. That guy's just going, you spin me right round, baby, right round. Like a record, baby, right round, right? Run for your life. Yeah, guys, I chose run for your life again. Or just run for your life. Okay, chat, we're gonna be cooked. We're cooked. Blah, blah, blah. Run for your life. 0 of 1. Okay, just run. That's it. All you need to do. Okay. Triple speed. Okay. Okay. Yoink, yoink, yoink. Run. Run. Okay, chat, we're gonna have to run. Okay. 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 Go. Go. Go, 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 go. Oh God. 2 people dead already. Okay. Go. Go. Run as fast as you can. Go. Go. Up. Up. Go. 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 Run. Run. Go. Run and run all as fast as you can, otherwise you're gonna die. Go. 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 Dude, I think I'm the last one. Again. No. Go, 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 go! Avoid the hands! Exit door! Oh! He was right behind me! I did it! I did it! We did it. Okay. Okay, we did it. Why are you just staring? Why is he doing that? Lol. Okay. Okay. Memories. Wait, what? In a few min? What? Oh, he gotta go? Okay. Okie dokie. How much is the honored? Okay, 1,000. Okay, 1,500. That. Lol is kinda much. Kinda much. Or not. Is it? I don't know. I got. Find the plush dino. Alrighty, let's find the plush. Okay, go. We just need to find the specific room, and then the plush dino will be in there. Okay. Huh. Oh, Twilight can surely poop here. Yeah. Okay, oh, okay. They already got that place. Nope. Go. Wait a minute, is it here? Is it here? Is it here? Okay. Okay. It's probably here. Hold up. Sorry about that, guys. But now let's do Terror Hotel. Escort a lost traveler. Okay. 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 Ooh. Enrage. Okay. Okay. Error 404, data not found. Huh? Hole. The thing. Oh, by the way, standards are safe. Okay. Species status unknown. Okay. Boop. Hey, where'd the guy with the king hat go? Where'd he go? Oh, I guess I'm gonna have to do the you spin me right round, baby, right round. Like a record, baby, right round, right round. What? Oh, you got a what? Oh, dude, I love this. Chat, you should hear this. Doesn't it sound cool? Transporter? Oh, I hate transporters. Oh my god. Teleported. Okay, that's what transporters are. Where's the lost boyo? Lost boyo. Lost boyo. Oh, okay. Okay, there he is. Come here, boy. Oh, okay. Oh my god. Oh! Did it? He's coming. Oh my god. Chat. Lol. Come on, boyo. How many minutes do we have? 2, 3 minutes. Lol. Okay. Okay. Go. Alright, chat. Okay. Okay. Alrighty. Wait, okay, it's just 2 of us. Maybe the other guy got scared. Okay, let's just connection request. Yay! One more round and then different game. Unlisted level. Okay. Oh, level 48. Yippee! You know what? I'm just gonna see you, chat. Goodbye. I joined a role play server with Forsaken. Okay. With Tails. Tails. Near. Okay. 1 eggs. Poland plants. Okay. I'll tell you when it's loaded. Oh. Tolado BR. Look. Okay. Oh my god, he's chasing him. Oh god, where's Shedletsky? Please. What's this? Oh, okay. Okay, it's the pizza dude. Where is Shedletsky? Honestly, I don't know. Okay. Wait, I'm gonna be Slasher. Okay. Survivors. I'll be my favorite. Taff. Shedletsky. I don't. Oh my god. Wait, I'm gonna be Shed. You know. Lol. Hey, boyo. Hi. Yas. Rec 2. Taiwan subspecial. Again? Okay. Oh. Poland pants. Luis Gamer Cool 23. Ah! Oh god, go. Tasty. Okay. Okay. Did you just miss his parry? I don't know where he is. Okay. Okay. Safe, safe, safe. Go, go, dudes. Lol. Okay. Okay. Oh God! Wow. Boom. Bam. Who should let's ski? Go, go, go. Go. Be actual Shedletsky. Oh my God. Sure is lethal. Final war. Guess final words. That thing sure is lethal. Dies. Oh my God. One X is here. Oh God. Hi. You. What? Look at what you created. Creation. I created you. Done. People. I'm your hatred. Your worst nightmare. Oh, okay. Maybe slasher. Oh my god. Tutuko. Oh my god. Can you please revive me? Okay. What's he doing? Hurts so bad. I can finally rest. What? I killed Shadlitsky. Okay, I be tough now. Excuse me? Ow! I'm gonna be slasher. Yay! Ch 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 ma ma ma. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait, why am I Taff? Wait! Dude, Taff is a girl? I didn't realize that. Oh, tee hee hee ha ha hee ha. Ch 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 ma 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 ma. Force behind! Die! Die! Okay, what is happening?
Oh god, that's loud. Okay, what is that? I got the bacon. They don't realize about mother. You don't realize that. Oh god. No! No! Run, run, run. Oh, hey. Die 2 times. Oh god, bro. Giant hitbox, please help me. Dead. You must die, Elliot. How did you miss that? Okay, Elliot's gonna die now. The slasher, I have the easiest. Oh God, no! Okay. Oh my God, bro. Oh my God. Evo battles. You must die. Oof! I got flung. Flung. Bacon was pulling. Oh my God. I'll be tough. Okay.
Okay. Turn 6. Lol. I'ma be tough. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, I think he went AFK. He looks like he went AFK, lol. Okay, I'm gonna end the video here.